Hello, I'm David Backholer and welcome to my latest listing in northeast Portland. This well-maintained Irvington home exudes charm and character, capturing the essence of a classic older home with modern conveniences. Situated in the historic Irvington neighborhood with sweeping views over Irving Park and near to Fremont Street's cafes and restaurants, this property is located in one of Portland's most sought-after neighborhoods. So stay tuned and we'll take a closer look. The first floor contains a living room with gas fireplace, updated wood floors, a dining room with elegant light fixtures, and a recently remodeled kitchen with Viking gas stove and stainless steel appliances. The kitchen nook offers seating with views of the landscape backyard and Irving Park's mature trees. 2 full bedrooms, both with double closets, a thoughtfully located laundry closet, and a recently remodeled bathroom with shower and clawfoot tub complete the first floor. The upper level boasts 2 further bedrooms, both with large walk-in closets, a second full bathroom and a large den. The finished basement offers an additional family room and a bar with granite countertops, perfect for entertaining. The exterior has also been meticulously upgraded with an oversized front porch overlooking 11th Avenue's tree-lined street. The rear yard contains landscaping and hardscaping with drip irrigation system and a dog bath with hot and cold water. So this home is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,200 square feet and listed at $850,000. So let's take a closer look. So I hope you enjoyed this tour of the beautiful home in one of the most desirable neighborhoods in Portland. For more content like this, please subscribe to my channel and please do reach out if I can help you find your dream home in Portland. Thanks for watching.